about to give them what they want. I don't think they're ready for this though. Beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode. Alright guys, we're having a little fun for dinner. Stuffed salmon, huh?
Yes.
Now tell them what's in this stuffing. This stuffing tastes good. I tried it by itself, guys.
It's cream cheese, not grilled spinach, but cooked spinach, a little bit of Parmesan, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and garlic salt.
So I'm trying stuffed and regular. I can't wait. A little piece. There you go. I got your back, Bruno. I know Bruno, man. He's over here. Y'all can't leave me out. I got you, buddy. Go get Bruno like a little piece of salmon.
In my kitchen.
I see you. I got your back, buddy. How many minutes you doing each side?
Oh.
Maybe one day you'll get my video.
Yeah, because I can't tell you.
This is your first time, right?
Yeah, it's my first time, and I really just go off like instinct. But I would say, hypothetically, I would say about 2 minutes.
2 minutes?
On each side, and then I flip it.
Okay. I'm doing one stuff with the good shit, and I'm doing one plain, guys. So anybody's interested in this stuff recipe, let us know. We'll do a video soon.
Yeah.
All right. So as you see, it smells amazing, guys. All right, knocking out some clients real quick, guys. Knocking out some clients. Got a late check-in. You already know, for online macro-based coaching, hit me up at beastmode316.com. But please do not come. You ain't ready to work, man. You gotta put in the work to get the results. Hey, let me go ahead and give a shout out. It's been a while, so I'm gonna give a shout out, guys. This guy right here, George, used the 200 to 250 pound meal plan and got these results right here. No coaching, no nothing, just use the meal plan. Now I will tell you this, the meal plan is very simple and basic. I kept it that way because people from different countries had problems finding the ingredients I was putting on the meal plan, so I kept the ingredients very simple, very basic, but if you follow it, as you see, guys, you get results. And then once you get the hang of the discipline, you can create your own meal plans. I have the macros on it, and you can create your own meal plans based off those macros. As you see, he got the results. Congratulations, George, and I appreciate your support, man. You use my meal plan, so I really appreciate the support, man, and glad it helped you out. Beastmode316.com for real results, natural results. Bam! Can't forget those veggies, guys. What veggies we doing tonight?
This is zucchini and squash.
You know, okay.
Bruno, come
I see you, Bruno.
Come eat this.
I see you, Bruno. First and foremost, you already know, pumpchasers.com. I'm rocking the blackity black shorts, black cutoff. Fuck with your boy. Do a little taste test, guys. I want this. Ooh, look at that. Got a nice amount of stuffing. Oh, creamy. Oh! That's good.
That's good.
All right, homies and homies. So real quick, let's talk about when is the best time to start cutting. You know, first and foremost, I'm doing an Ask Beast Mode series real soon, and it's gonna be answering questions from my Instagram. And my Instagram is kind of shadow banned. You know, I do have a strong opinion in my stories. Been reported quite a bit. I guess it's caused me to get shadow banned. So you gotta type in Beast Mode Jones. You gotta type in the whole thing, the family. But yeah, hit me with a DM, hashtag Ask Beast Mode. If I use your question, I'll be sure to shout you out in the videos, okay? So, check it out, man. When's the best time to start cutting? To be real with you, there is no best time. You know, bodybuilding is an individual journey, right? And you gotta do what's best for you, but most of all, you gotta do this shit for you. You know, it's gotta become a routine for you. It's gotta be programmed in you, just like brushing your teeth or taking your shower. You know, committing to keeping a fit lifestyle is a lifetime journey. It is not no 12-week plan. It ain't no fucking get ready for the summer plan. You know, once I vowed to stay in shape to the day I die, that was it. It's pretty much a marriage to the game. You know, to death do us part, and I mean that shit. I'm never gonna stop keeping myself together. You know, we don't gotta walk around here looking like professional bodybuilders or nothing like that, but guys, we should take pride in our bodies. You know, no matter what you go through in life, throughout your ups and your downs, you're gonna keep this same body the whole time. And when the sun is shining in your life again, you want to be looking good. You know, your luck could turn tomorrow. With that said, I suggest the best time to start cutting is when you look in the fucking mirror and you're not happy with what you see. It's just that simple. Let me say that one more time. I suggest you start cutting, tracking macros, doing cardio, you know, getting on a cutting path, you know, calorie deficit. If you look in the mirror and you're not happy with what the fuck you see in the mirror, it's just that simple. Guys, everything starts in the mind. You feel me? Everything starts in the mind. Let me go ahead and request a couple of books for you guys. I've been getting a lot of questions about books, you know. It's been a while since I've suggested a book for you guys. But check this out right here. This is called You Are Placebo. Okay? And the guy that wrote this book, Joe Dispenza, Dr. Joe Dispenza, this guy here, guys, he actually fixed his spine with the power of his mind. And this book right here, I remember me and Connor Murphy had our hippie collab. I briefly mentioned this book talking about atoms. All right, and this book is called The Hidden Messages with Water. Long story short, it proves words have power by science. You know, we've already know from the Bible, they tell us the words, you know, watch your tongue, words have power. But this confirms it. Words actually do have power. So with that said, be mindful of the shit you say to others. But most of all, be mindful of the shit you say to yourself. You know, you should be speaking positive affirmations to yourself constantly, daily. Feeding yourself that daily bread. You know, good food is energy. And since we know words is energy, feed yourself that good food for the mind. Feed others that good food with your tongue. You feel me? So with that said, guys, I was just talking about the mind. You know, if you are not happy with your physical reality, if you're not happy with your physical appearance, and you have all the power within to make changes to that, and you still choose not to, that's a fucking mental imbalance. That's a mental problem. There's a reason why you're not happy with your physical reality or your physical appearance. You have all the power within you to make the changes, and you still not do it. You know, is it laziness? Is it lack of confidence? You know, there is a reason why you want better, you know how to do better, and you still choose not to. You gotta ask yourself that. Once you ask yourself that, and you're 100% honest with yourself, why? I'm telling you, it's like you cracked the code to life. But fuck all that, you know, stop looking for the perfect time. The perfect time is now. The perfect time is when you have enough of your bullshit, you know? The perfect time is when you look in the mirror with your physical eyes and you're not happy with what you see. Because let me tell you, that person you're looking at is not you. This is just a shell, you know, a flesh shell used to move around. So that's who you are. All you're literally seeing, you're getting a glimpse at how you've been treating yourself. It's just that simple. You're getting a glimpse at how the fuck you've been treating yourself. It's just that simple. You look in the mirror and your belly hanging over your pants, that tells you how the fuck you've been treating yourself lately. It's just that simple. It's just a reflection. It's not a reflection of you. It's just a reflection of how you treat yourself. That goes for everything in your physical reality. If you're not happy with the place you're staying at, you know, do what it takes to get out of that situation. If you're not happy with the state your physique is in, do whatever it takes to get out of that situation. It is what it is. Nobody's giving you nothing. If you don't work, you don't eat, baby. Just grind. And don't forget, guys, TigerFitness.com for your supplement needs. For those of you that are cutting, don't forget, we got that Cuts FTS Fat Burner. You got that 7 keto inside. You would not be disappointed. I love it right here, guys. much before we fuck up these weights.